Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to calculate total revenue. With that said, let's get into it. So the formula for total revenue is actually very simple. Total revenue is equal to P times Q, where P is the price per unit and Q is the quantity of units sold. Now let's go over an example to make it super easy to understand. Suppose that a company sells coffee mugs for $10 each and it sells 200 mugs. Well, total revenue is equal to price times quantity. And I can see the price and the quantity right here. So the formula says I just need to multiply them together, and that means that total revenue is equal to $2,000. Now here's a little pro tip when it comes to remembering the units. The total revenue will always be in the same unit as price. So if price is in pounds, then total revenue is in pounds. If price is in dollars, then it's in dollars, and so on and so forth. Now let's look at a slightly harder example. Example 2 poses the scenario: suppose a firm sells smartphones for $1,300 each and it sells 1.5 million smartphones. Pause the video here and give yourself a second to try this question for yourself. And if you understand, then we're going to go over the answer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the key pieces of information are $1,300 each and 1.5 million smartphones. If I multiply these together, I'm going to get a total revenue of $1.95 billion. Did you get this one right? Well, I hope so. Here's a couple of important things to remember when it comes to total revenue. Total revenue is important because it tells us how much income a firm generates from sales before accounting for its costs. It's the starting point for calculating profit and for understanding how firms make production decisions. And finally, economists use total revenue to derive other important concepts like average revenue and marginal revenue, which we discuss in other videos, so feel free to check those out. If you found this video helpful, let us know by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and of course, let us know in the comment section what sort of economic topics or homework questions you'd like to see us cover in the future. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next.